Try to lift it.
Yeah, try.
That is so heavy. Wow. It's all a bit too shiny over here, isn't it?
See, Stefano, if everything is fine.
Oh, I'll do this one. You're right, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's okay. I gotta pull my weight, you know.
One of the first coffee machine in 1971.
Yeah, I'd love to have one of these machines.
Me too.
Very cool. So we just got off a train. We're on the outskirts of Milan and we're on the way to visit the Quick Mill factory. So just about to jump in an Uber and meet Stefano, who's the owner. We had a good chat with him at Host and look forward to looking through the factory and hearing a bit more about the brand and the heritage and what they do out there that makes Quick Mill special. Here to see Stefano. Okay. There we go. In we go. Oh, hello. We're here for our own conference. The delegates have arrived. Hello. Hello.
Nice to meet you,
Yeah.
Laura.
Yeah, Luke.
Yeah.
And this is Ryan.
Yeah, hello. Hey, Stefan is here. You want a coffee?
Oh, I'm great.
How are you?
Yeah, good. Thanks, Stefano. Yeah, Ryan. Yep.
How are you? Good, and you?
Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. Do you want a coffee?
Yes, please.
That'd be great.
That'd be awesome.
Welcome.
This is, yeah, it's good to be here. Oh. Yeah, sorry we weren't earlier. We just tried, it was a bit tricky just getting here.
Okay.
But, all right. So I'd like to introduce Stefano Chinaglia, the owner of Quick Mill. Thank you so much for having us here today.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you, Luke. And it's a pleasure to have you here. Come inside that we show you everything.
Awesome. Look forward to it. After you. All right. Here we go. Lots of parts, lots of goodies. So a lot of goodies ready to go out there.
Tell you what is here.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, for sure.
So this is a warehouse that we have a machine that are in stock,
Yes.
and the machine that you see here and here are ready to deliver.
Okay.
The rest of warehouse is machine that we have in stock
Yeah, right.
for the Europe plug.
Okay. Yeah. So this is sort of this is the goods out, and then you walk through all.
Exactly.
Yeah, great.
And
Yeah.
then I show you here. So here and here
Yes. Good morning, Bruno.
we have all parts that we need for build coffee machines.
Okay.
We have another warehouse there. We have everything here, so we have like 14,000 of articles, different type of articles. Huh? And
Lots of screws, nuts, bolts, all little bits.
yeah, everything.
yeah.
As you know, we do a lot of machines, so different models.
Yep.
So like 40 models and then customized models. So we have a lot of parts.
Yep. So that's your.
Thermoblock.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Cool. So you've basically got everything on hand, ready to go and build.
Yeah.
You're not
Yeah.
having to keep ordering and.
Exactly.
Yeah. Great.
Pumps.
It was interesting when COVID was on. You guys still had stock, where other manufacturers struggled with that. Is that because you had all this here ready to go?
Yeah, of course. During the COVID was was difficult to take parts, and so maybe we have to search everywhere to take parts, because of course if miss only one part, you cannot build a coffee machine, no?
Yep.
Because if you miss only a light,
Yep.
you cannot produce. So of course was difficult, but anyway we can manage it in some way to produce everything, and also to keep the quality of course.
Yeah, brilliant. Consistency. All right.
Yeah, here we have portafilter, pumps, tubes, screws, electric boards, everything. And then we have another part there of warehouse that we have more like boilers,
Yep.
stainless steel bodies.
Okay. And are a lot of these parts made for you specifically, like, or are you kind of just ordering off the shelf, like general parts?
Some of the parts are general for everybody.
Yep. Okay, morning. Yep.
Are general parts, so for us, but also for other manufacturers.
Yep.
Some type of parts are maybe particular only for us.
Okay.
Here there is another.
Ciao.
Ciao, Nico. Here we have another part of warehouse where we take, for example, here inside you have boilers,
Yes.
different kind of boilers, so 2 liter, 1 liter and a half. And here we have more like portafilters, stainless steel bodies. This is most you can see upstairs. So
Oh, yeah.
the 70% here is for portafilter and stainless steel bodies.
Are they pippers?
What? Sorry?
Is that a pipper body, or is
no,
that,
no, it's like it's the 3000. Is our thermoblock machine, small
Okay.
thermoblock machine, stainless steel.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Nice. And you make that stainless steel here?
Yeah, we have a factory there, like 50 meters.
Okay.
When after I will show you, we have everything. So laser. After I will show you.
Excited to see that for sure. All right. What's so we'll go this way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is the production.
Yep.
So here there is a second line that, as I told you, we will start probably tomorrow.
Yes.
If nobody has a flu anymore.
Everyone's a little bit unwell at the moment. Yeah.
Everybody are able to work.
You get the whole industry together, and everyone gets sick. Yeah.
And here we can start with the old. Ciao Madu.
Ciao.
Ciao Gabri.
Yeah, right. So the company started 1945.
1945.
1945, yeah, by your father or family, or what's the history?
No, it starts in 1945, and Quick Mill was the name was Quick Mill because the owner
Yes.
built the Quick Mill, built the Quick Mill name because at the beginning was a factory that produced grinders.
Okay.
Okay. Sometimes some customer tell us, but it's not an Italian name. But the reason, because it's not Italian name, Quick Mill, is because the owner at 1945 want to give an international name
Okay.
to go inside the international market. For this reason, Quick Mill.
Okay.
And then Quick Mill start to develop grinders, of course, slicer, cheese grater, meat grater, all things for domestic use, for
Okay.
kitchen.
Yep.
Then in the time after 1970, start to develop the coffee machines
Yes.
for domestic use. And in the time became the core business of the factory, no? And my father take Quick Mill in 1999.
Yes.
And he had to restart a little bit the market, no? Because the previous owner of my father, Quick Mill go a little bit down. So my
Okay.
father have to restart everything till arrive from 10 people inside, maybe less.
Okay.
Till now that we are in 53, we arrive 56 also. So
56 staff at the moment.
Yeah,
running.
yeah.
Okay. Well, that's great. Yeah. So.
plus the stainless steel factory. We have the stainless steel factory since 7 years, more or less.
Okay.
So it's a plus also for us because we are more flexible to do, for example, samples and also the production.
Yep.
And also for the quality of our our product, no?
change the
Because
designs and-
we can check immediately what is the result of the product. So
Fantastic.
This is important.
Yeah, great. What's this range here? Made by
This-
Diletti Bella?
Yeah, it's custom brand
Okay.
of our distributor in US.
All right.
Yeah, we create a partnership between us and them, and we create this brand that is Diletta, is the name. We do 3 models, and it's a custom machine only for them.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
yeah.
So just different badges, a few different specification changes to what we might see in the quick mill products we would receive.
Yeah, I mean, only if you see this machine is the Rubino Plus, okay?
Yep.
But we customize something on the bodies and something internally,
Yep.
but not so much, but only for, they want it like this, so
That's nice.
thanks.
Yeah, it's a very nice machine. Great.
And here you have, so here you have the pre-assembled
Pre-assembly?
tables.
Yes.
Pre-assembled tables, and then the line of production. So we can start from the beginning of
Yeah. It's all a bit too shiny over here, isn't it? Wow. Boiling.
Ciao Gaspare. Ciao Mario. Ciao Tiziana.
Wow. Ciao. Buongiorno.
Ciao Matteo. Buondì. Ciao Morris.
Ciao.
So as you can see here, we do all the pre-assembled, so therm blocks, boilers, electric parts, all the things. When are ready, they arrive to the line of production.
Okay.
So we have here we have 7 steps. Okay.
Yep.
Each step, know how to do it, no?
Yes.
So we start from the machine that is empty. So, for example, in this machine is putting the pump, okay, and the cable.
Yep.
And each step till arrive the hydraulic test,
Yep.
also the hydraulic test, but also the quality test. So from the hydraulic test, we start also the test, the quality test. So he check, after I show you, he check everything is perfect inside, but also outside. I mean, if there is no scratches, if all tubes are correct in the correct position, these kind of things. Hydraulic test, of course, foresee also if there is everything is done in the right way.
Yep.
Nothing leaks or these kind of things. And then there is the electrical test.
Okay.
Each machine are tested, hydraulic test and electrical test.
Yeah, brilliant.
These are all parts that I told you before.
Yeah, so these have all
that,
been pre-assembled
we
from
made
this
it here.
side and brought
Yeah.
over ready to go.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
So, Robbie, if you see, we miss some people.
Oh, it happens.
Ciao, Gabri.
Ciao. Hi.
So, for example, him, he tests each machine.
Yeah.
So, if you see, he check everything is clear inside, everything is good, and also now he's starting to do the hydraulic test. So the pressure, for example, this kind of nothing leaks, this kind of things.
And how many of these machines can you produce in one day or
One
a
day,
week, or-
it depends on the machine.
Yeah.
For example, the smallest one, the 820, the old one, the 820, the smallest one,
Yes.
with colors.
Yes. Yep.
For example, this machine, we can produce 70, 80 per day.
Oh wow. Okay.
This machine, for example, we are around 40, 45. The Essence, for example, 20, 25. It depends.
A little bit more in it with double
Yeah.
boilers and
Yeah, of course,
apps
they are
and-
more. There is more things to check, but also to put inside the machine.
Certainly. This is fantastic to see. It feels very intimate and like, you know, you've still got flexibility, but you've got enough volume.
Yeah.
You know, some of the plants we've been to are a little bit clinical, and it's just pumping them out.
Yeah,
Here
yeah.
feels a lot more, yeah, handmade and felt.
Yeah, of course, the first thing for us, yeah, of course, we want to grow and these kind of things, of course. But the first thing that we take care is the quality.
Yeah.
So I prefer, for example, to do 100 machine less, but be sure that every machine is with the quality. Okay. So
Yeah,
the customer, you, but also the end customer is happy.
Oh, yes, definitely.
This is the most important thing.
Yeah, and it's for us, it's such a great value product, you know, well made and fits exactly in the market for us at a better value. And,
Yeah.
and everyone's very happy with them, which is fantastic.
And here, the guy now that is checking, here he do the electrical test. So we have this machine that's certified. So the machine basically tell you, okay, the machine can go or not.
Yeah, you pump extra power into
Yeah.
it, and if it faults,
Exactly.
yeah.
And then the last step is the cleaning and the quality, see external, if everything is fine, if there is no scratches and these kind of things.
Yep.
Then the machine, we put the accessorize, the manual, and we put in the box, ready to go.
Brilliant. All right, do you want to check out the other factory, stainless steel factory?
Yeah, of course, we
Yeah.
can go.
Okay.
This is the stainless steel factory, please.
Yeah, sweet.
Ciao. Ciao, ciao.
That's cool, isn't it? Wow.
Ciao Marco.
Yeah.
So everything starts from here.
Yep.
So this is the laser. So as I show you before, as I told you before, here you have the paper of steel that go inside, and in relation of what you have to cut, it cut it for in way that you not waste too much
Material.
of the paper, of
Yeah,
course.
yeah,
no?
definitely, yeah.
So all programs for what we have to do is made inside the office. There is our boss of production,
Yes.
and this you see is the boss of production.
Hello, Luke.
Ciao Michele.
Likewise. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool.
As you can see, it's very fast machine. It's a important machine. Is Mazak is one of the best for laser.
Yeah, I'd love to have one of these machines.
Me too.
Very cool. Do you, just for fun, do you make things for home or anything else out of this machine, or is it all just
No,
coffee
it's no only for coffee machines.
Yeah.
So the stainless steel factory is us. It's for only
Yeah.
work for quick mill. Fortunately, is enough.
Yeah.
So
very cool. So okay. Oh, you even make like your little
Yeah.
connection tabs. You do everything. Yeah, right.
yeah, each pieces are made by the laser.
Yep.
And then it depends in relation of what we have to do. It goes, for example, here we have these three machines.
Yes.
These machines are for do the mold. So
The folding.
yeah,
Yeah.
so arrive like that, and it became like this. Okay, so now they're starting to do it. So they do by hand
Yep.
each type of the frontal panel, the lateral panels, the drip tray, everything.
Yeah, right.
And we have three machines. These two are for the biggest pieces. This machine is for maybe for drip tray or something very small.
Yeah, wow. This is great because we didn't get to see this in other factories, but we just see a piece like that. But to see from Quick Mill that you actually start with a sheet, you make it all. That's very impressive. So well done.
Thanks. For example, of course, it arrives flat, but also the laser do the cutting and everything, and then the result from the mold is like this.
Yeah, brilliant.
Frontal panel, yeah. Then we have different kind of machines. Here we have the welded. So here we do the welded, each pieces. And here we have a machine that we do the, for example, here, the whole, these kind of things.
Oh yeah.
You have this machine also with the programs, so you can do the pieces exit without hole, of course, and you do this kind of these holes.
Punching?
Yeah, punching, exactly.
Yeah. Nice and sharp, yeah. Cool. Very cool.
And then the last step is the polish and
Polish and
so
cleaning.
here we clean all pieces. So I'll show you. As you can see, arrive like that from the welded.
Yep. So
And
you
they
polish out the actual welds.
and they have
get it all
to
nice.
to polish and make it shiny.
Yeah, right.
So here they do the polish, and here they make it shiny.
Okay.
And the result, they have to start. So,
Yeah.
but anyway, the result is what you see.
Beautiful.
So
Yeah,
this
nice.
is the. And here you have another machine. This is a machine. Possiamo fargli vedere un pezzo? So the piece arrive from the laser. That of course there is not ruin, but of course there is it's dirty, and you have to make it.
No burrs, sharp
Yeah,
edges?
exactly.
Yep.
So arrive like that
Oh, yep.
and exit like that.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, yeah, right. So like a polished matte,
Yeah.
matte
But
finish. Brush.
also if you touch.
Oh, yeah, that's much nicer. Yeah, wow. Yeah, great. Beautiful.
To see, we can.
Very cool. Oh, I'll do this one. You're right, yep.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's okay. I've got to pull my weight, you know.
Perfect. As you can see, we need a little bit more space because we are very full.
Yep.
We are searching for a new building because we are a little bit.
Yeah. To move the whole lot or just this section?
It depends. If we found something that we can move everything, will be better.
Yeah.
But the stainless steel, we need maybe the double for double squid meters.
Yeah,
for,
right.
For being more free to move.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, great. That's awesome. All right.
And here and there, you can see at each type of stainless steel that we have. The most of stainless steel is 304.
Very
That
cool.
is the most shiny.
Yeah, great.
Then we have something 316 iron. but not so much iron, of course.
Yeah. The one that, what works really well for us in Australia is the full stainless steel chassis,
Okay.
because we're by the sea, the salt, and it lasts a very long time. So for
Yeah.
us, that's a huge positive.
In relation to other factories that we know, we use everything. All our parts are in stainless steel for the body. So, of course, there is more life, of course, for stainless steel body.
Yeah, definitely.
If it's in stainless steel.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Yeah. Thank you. Ciao. Do you do your own paint work here, or do you send everything away to get painted?
No, we send outside
Yep.
for painting. We work with the factory that follow us. So yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Maybe in the future, I don't know.
Oh, that's okay. No, it's good. It brings, you know, the colour, the black or the white, you know, allows it to have a different personality for people to buy, which is great.
Here we are in 10 people.
Okay.
10 people plus the boss of production, so 11.
11, yeah, great. So 65? 66?
No, 53 in total.
In total, yeah.
Total,
Okay.
yeah.
In total.
53, 54.
Yep.
So, yeah, as you can see, we are a team, no? So we are people that works together since maybe 5, 10 years, 15 years. So we are very flexible, from the stainless steel factory to the production, to the warehouse, to the technical department, to the offices in general, to the sales department. No? So have this kind of, maybe we do a meeting together for maybe for the production stainless steel, the priorities. Of course, who takes the parts for build the machines, the boss of production that have to manage all the pre-assembled table, but also the production. So if you don't have this kind of flexibility, will be very difficult. Fortunately, we are a small company, so we can manage everything. We can manage everything with flexibility and giving to the end customer, to the customer and end customer, the product in less time we can, but also with the quality. So this is the most important thing.
This is, we've seen a lot of espresso machine. About the grinders, are you making the grinders here as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Just a different cycle in the production at the moment?
Yeah, of course. The production, it depends of the priorities and the stock, the sales machine already. Yeah, we do also the grinders. It depends. We go 1 month or 2 months per time. So I don't know, we do 200 pipas, and then we go in production with 300 rubinos, for example. So the grind, it depends.
Yeah,
it
cool.
depends. So
nice.
we organize like that.
Great.
Everything.
All right.
For example, this is a prototype of one of the first coffee machine in 1971 at the Fiera Milano.
Wow.
It's like the 820.
Okay.
The smallest one.
Yep.
And here you have all different kinds of machines, cheese grater, ice, the ice,
Yeah, wow.
the old grinders.
Cool.
Yeah, now we have to redo a museum. I want to do like a small office with all old coffee machines, grinder, cheese grater.
It's good to have the heritage and share that. It's
I agree.
Yeah, wow. Cool.
This is old grinder too.
Yeah.
Try to take it.
Try to lift it.
Yeah, try.
That is so heavy. Oh, wow. And what year was that?
Yeah, this was like 56, yeah,
And
glass. 56 years ago for professional use, of course.
Yeah, wow.
We have 4 of them, 5, 4, yeah.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much, Stefano, for
Thanks to you.
the factory tour. Being able to get an insight of how artisan the business still is, the flexibility you have, and the care for every single machine is wonderful. Seeing that you make all the stainless steel and have that care and quality all the way through is fantastic. So thank you for letting us take the tour.
Thanks to you. It's always nice to show to the customers because if you don't know how much work there is behind, no,
Yep.
you cannot imagine. So it's always a pleasure, of course, but also it's very important to the customer know how much we work behind.
Yeah, the people, the families,
Yeah, the people, the
everything,
family.
Everyone sort of forgets. They just see a product like this and don't understand how many people it actually influences or
Exactly.
benefits over the time. So hopefully that gives everyone a great insight. Where do you see Quickmill as a brand going in the future for the next 5 or 10 years? What, the Essence has just come out with our latest video there with the digital integration. What do you think the future looks like? Where are you heading?
Of course, we are a flexible company, no? So of course our priority is to give to the customer and customers something new always, no? The proof is that we exit every year with something new, so something different. We try to give to the customers something new for go outside since all the things that there is in the market, no?
Yep.
So the priority is to grow, of course, offer something new, and of course growing, but also giving. The key word is always the quality.
Yes.
For us, the priority is the quality. So giving something that our motto is made to last for years. No, so we want to remain like that. So build the coffee machines. Do something new always, but also the keyword have to remain quality, made to last for years. No.
Okay.
So this is the most important thing. So we continue like this. So we are a family company, you know.
Yep.
We are small, so we want to create something that people appreciate. And always improve ourselves. Thanks also to you, because it's very important your feedback that you give us, because you have the direct connection, with the end customer, no? So your feedback is very important for us to grow and improve always ourselves, no? And sure. So we ask always to our customer to give us feedback, tell everything, but not because we want to stress the customer, no?
Yeah.
But because for us it's important, because we can improve as a factory, in production, because if we don't know if something is wrong, we cannot improve.
Yeah.
So
you learn from mistakes and can move forward and get better as you go.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Exactly.
Yeah,
this
great.
is the most important thing.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for having us here today.
Thanks to you.
Certainly appreciate it. Yeah, for us it's been great to see a lot of factories, but get into this one particularly for us has been on the bucket list and spend time with you. And excited about the new products that are coming out as well. That we saw at the
of
show.
course, very soon.
So there's a few new ones there coming, which we'll happily talk about. So anyway, thanks very much for watching, everyone. Really do appreciate it. If you like this kind of content and you like to see where machines come from, make sure you check out all our full range of videos. We've done some tours here through Italy. But please do, like, subscribe and share this content, and make sure you hit the bell and you'll be notified when we put up our latest video. And if you've got any questions about anything you've seen here today or the Quickmill range, if I can't answer it, I'm going to ask Stefano.
Of course.
And we'll get back to you straight away. So thanks very much for watching, everyone. We'll catch you next time. Cheers.
Ciao.
Bye.